stronger.
Come on, get in!
You built a pickup truck?
It's not just any pickup truck, it's the all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado. Inside steel metallic.
Huh, that's very specific.
Enough chit-chat, hop in. And enjoy Silverado's completely redesigned interior.
Where's that voice coming from?
129 cubic feet of crew cab comfort.
Okay, is that even relevant?
Featuring best-in-class front headroom.
I think we're in a promotional tie-in.
No, what we're in is the strongest, most advanced Silverado ever.
Hey, we lost her.
Relax. The Durabed is built with high-strength roll-form steel. Plus, it offers best-in-class cargo volume and more cargo tie-downs than any other pickup. Tie-downs! Offers a 420 horsepower V8.
Emmet!
Okay, we're in a Chevy commercial.
Whoa, whoa, I don't do commercials.
You just did.